Hi, hello all. Welcome to Data Cloud Technologies. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to filter data from a database table using select statement and its different variations. For that purpose, I'm making use of a data set that is supplied by Microsoft. This is the popular data set on which many of data engineers, analysts will work, and those who are having touch with SQL, those who are having touch with SQL, they are aware of this database. AdventureWorks 2019 database is a popular data set that consisting of several tables with primary and foreign key relations. So I am making use of these tables for exploratory purpose, using which we write the SQL statements for query generations and viewing the output of the queries that we have defined. So basically, these tables are used for query purpose, and I'm writing all my queries in SQL Server Management Studio 2019, and the text file and the relevant queries are made available in the description box for practice. And I will explain in a separate video how to install backup file into SQL Server Management Studio 2019 for the database set that we used for query purposes. I am opening SQL Server Management Studio 2019. It takes a little bit time to open. So this is Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So click on connect. So it will be connected to the database engine. So after proper authorizations, so it takes a little bit of time to get connected. So in the Object Explorer, you can see the different options. So you click on the databases. So here you can find as AdventureWorks 2019 database. Here you click on new query. Query editor will get opened. So this is my query, so to which you need to connect a database. AdventureWorks 2019 is available here. So I don't know how many tables are there in AdventureWorks 2019. So to know that, you click the plus symbol here. So to expand this AdventureWorks 2019 database, there you can find tables. So you click on the plus symbol, it will get expanded. So these are the tables that are available there in AdventureWorks 2019 database. What I'm going to say is, so as these many tables are available here, we can make use of any one of the table for our practice. So, okay, I'm selecting a particular table. I'm introducing a comment here. So within the comment, I'm writing a question which I'm going to the query what I need to perform on this database. So here in the human resources head table employee. From this table, I want to retrieve the information of the employees with their IDs and their names. Write a select statement, retrieve business entity ID and job title, human resources or employee table. This is what the query which we need to write. So here I need to use select state. So we know that select star from. So the star values are here. Yes, these stars are nothing but the columns. So what are the columns that we need to fetch the information? Business entity ID and job type. So job type. Then from the name of the table. Name of the table is human resources dot employee. So this is the table. So now I am running the query. Here my query is getting executed and we get some rows would get displayed here. So around 290 rows I got it here. So this is the business entity ID and the job title. Work out with some other queries. So here the query is write a select statement that lists the customers along with their ID numbers, include the store ID and account number from sales.customers table. So let us practice. So we need to write a select statement. So select statement that lists the customers along with their IDs. So we don't know what is the field or the column that contains the customer name. So for that purpose, we need to go to the sales customers table. So here you can search for sales customer table. From this you can know the column headings. So the customer ID, person ID, store ID. Okay, and the account number, modified date. So these are the column names that are available there. Here what we asked, customer along with their ID numbers. So that means the customer ID field we need to take it. CUSTOMER customer ID, include the store ID. Store ID, account number. Account from the table sales dot. So this is the query. Select the query, click on execute. We'll get customer ID, the store ID, and their account. So around 19,820 rows are available there in this table we will get. Okay, so let us try to write one more query based on select statement. This is the query. Write a select statement that lists name, product number, and color of each product from the product table. So here the query is clear. We need to write a select statement, right? From the table name also given to us, production dot. Here to that I'm having non-it. You ask me, yes, from Tech Mahindra. Okay. So here we need to select the name, product number. Let us select name, product number, and the color. So these are the fields that we need to select. So we close this with the semicolon, then select these two lines and click on execute. So here 504 rows got displayed. Okay, this is how we can write a query. Now let us practice one more query on the select statement. So here the query is write a select statement that lists the customer ID numbers and sales order ID numbers from sales order header table. Okay, so first let us write the select statement and the from statement. We need to get this data from sales, is sales, and the table name is sales order header. From this place, from this table where we need to get the columns, and here we need to list the customer ID number. So customer ID and sales order ID. These are the two fields or the columns that we need to select these two and click on exit. So around 31,465 rows got displayed. Okay, this is the last. Okay. Instead of column names, we can make use of star asterisk also. So let us see what happens if asterisk is used in place of the field names, column names. Okay, all the columns that are available there in the table got listed here. So it's better to avoid star because we doesn't require some of the column data in some of the columns. So for that purpose, it is better to mention the column name rather than using asterisk symbol. So in the earlier beginning of the video, I have told you, so we can get the column names of any particular table from this columns folder. All right. So the same thing that we can get it by using select star. So instead of using select statement multiple number of times, then we can get the names from this. Otherwise, there are certain commands that are available there for us to know the schema details of a particular table. So hope you like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and a like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.